The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla! Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. I'm there again. Yeah, big up and respect to each and every one. Now I have two videos that I'm going to present to you, and the first video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show how a female quit her job. Alright, now some harsh languages have been used in this video, so viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Alright. Attention Walmart shoppers and associates, my name is Beth from Electronics. I've been working at Walmart for almost 5 years, and I can say that everyone here is overworked and underpaid. The attendant policy is bullshit. We are treated from management and customers poorly every day. Whenever we have a problem with it, we're told that we're replaceable. I'm tired of the constant gaslighting. This company treats their elderly associates like shit. To Jared, our store manager, you're a pervert. Greta and Kathy, shame on y'all for treating your associates the way you do. I hope you don't speak to your families the way you speak to us. Shout out to Cominique, Patty, Chardell, and so many more. Walmart doesn't deserve y'all. Fuck management and fuck this job. I quit.
My people, in my point of view, it seems as if the female shown in that video that I just presented to you was fed up of her job at the time when she quit her job. It seems so. I am not telling anyone that they should disrespectfully quit their job if they don't like their job enough. No, I'm not saying that. See? However, you may never know what a man or a woman have got through when it comes on to working for someone. You understand? I remember a few years after I left high school, I was working somewhere, and a boss that I was working for, who was my boss at the time, called me the N-word, and that person was not from Jamaica. That person was not even an African descendant. You see me? And I left that job. Yeah, I left that job because of the things that the man said. You see me? Not just the N-word, but other things. But you know, that's a long story. I'm not going to explain that story. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about that video that I just presented to you, and I'm going to move on to another video. There are many tribes within the continent that is known as Africa, and sometimes some of these tribes within the continent of Africa will keep events annually or for other reasons as part of their traditions and our culture. Now I'm going to present to you a piece of an entire video that's going to show some of the things that happened at an event that had been held somewhere within the continent of Africa that is said to be a spiritual event. I do not know when the video will be recorded. However, this video shows persons who are said to be members of a tribe from somewhere within the continent of Africa trying to prove that they are so spiritually powerful to the point where machetes cannot hurt them. This video shows persons rubbing the blades of machetes on their bodies repeatedly. At least one part of this video shows when someone rubbed the blade of a machete on someone repeatedly. Now, to my understanding, no one got hurt when the video had been recorded. Viewers and subscribers, I'm saying this to each and every one: do not try the things that you are about to see in the video that I'm about to present to you. The reasons why I am presenting the video to you is because the video is getting a little buzz on social media, and I would like you to take a look at the video and tell me what you think about the things that you are about to see and hear in this video. Alright? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe. My people, let me say some things delicately, because you see me, Dancehall Skilla, I am not here to disrespect no one's belief, nor their traditions, nor their way of life. You see me? No, that's not me. However, this whole machete rubbing on skin thing, I think it's really dangerous. And I would not advise anyone to do anything like that. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, I know that many people within many countries worldwide have their own ways of life and their own beliefs and traditions and cultures and all that. I know that. You see me? And I'm not bashing or disrespecting any of those things. But some of those things that I see some people do because of their religions and their beliefs and their cultures and traditions, I, Dancehall Skilla, will not do some of those things. See? And I'm trying to make sure that everyone understands that I'm not being disrespectful enough. It's just that I think that some of those things are dangerous. At least for me. You see? But on a real, I think some of those things are dangerous. And I wouldn't advise anyone to do some of those things. See? Because if I don't want something for myself that I think is bad, I don't think I would want that thing for somebody else if I think it is bad. You understand? Just as though I would do certain things, other persons in other countries wouldn't do certain things when it comes down to their culture and my culture. You see it? So as some see it. So I think that's dangerous from people. But anyways, you can let me know what you think, alright? Yeah, you can let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you in this video. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm name Dancehall Skilla, you know? I'm big up on yourself. You see?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.